Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez is a popular personal finance book that challenges readers to reconsider their relationship with money and prioritize their values. The book is divided into 9 chapters, each addressing different aspects of financial independence, mindful spending, and aligning money with personal fulfillment. Here's an overview of the chapters. 1. Introduction, Money in Your Life. The authors introduce the core concept of the book, which is examining the relationship between money and one's life energy, and how financial independence can lead to a more fulfilling life. 2. Step 1. Making Peace with the Past. This chapter encourages readers to reflect on their financial history, values, and beliefs, and to understand how their past choices have shaped their current financial situation. 3. Step 2. Being in the present. Tracking your life energy. The authors introduce the concept of tracking one's expenses and calculating the real cost of items in terms of life energy spent earning the money to afford them. 4. Step 3. Where is it all going? Monthly tabulation. This chapter focuses on creating a monthly tabulation of income and expenses, providing a clear picture of how money is being allocated and identifying areas of potential waste or excess. 5. Step 4. 3 questions that will transform your life. The authors present 3 questions aimed at evaluating the true value and purpose of money spent, helping readers make conscious spending choices that align with their values. 6. Step 5. Making life energy visible. This chapter explores the concept of visualizing life energy, using graphs and charts to illustrate the relationship between income, expenses, and the time and energy required to sustain them. 7. Step 6. Valuing your life energy. Minimizing spending and maximizing income. The authors provide strategies for reducing spending and maximizing income, emphasizing the importance of aligning expenses with personal values and exploring alternative income sources. 8. Step 7. Capital and the crossover point. This chapter introduces the concept of the crossover point, which is the point at which investment income surpasses monthly expenses, leading to financial independence. It explores strategies for achieving this milestone. 9. Step 8. The final steps to financial independence. The authors discuss long-term financial planning, including investment strategies, asset allocation, and creating a plan for sustainable wealth and financial freedom. The book also includes additional resources, tools, and exercises throughout the chapters to help readers implement the steps outlined and cultivate a healthier and more fulfilling relationship with money. The overall message of Your Money or Your Life is to empower readers to gain control over their finances, align their spending with their values, and ultimately achieve financial independence for a more meaningful and purposeful life.